Hello, welcome to my channel. In this channel I'm going to teach you exactly how to become a professional forex trader. And in this video I'm going to explain to you why this is the most lucrative YouTube channel there is. When I was learning to trade, I noticed a huge problem with the education on YouTube. Most of the videos were some monotone guy talking in front of a chart and offered little entertainment value or proper editing even. Either that or they actually didn't even have any good knowledge and they just really regurgitated anything else that they found on YouTube. Obviously they weren't able to find any strategies on their own. Their videos often didn't give you anything concrete that you could actually apply to your trading. It was more just abstract ideas that made you feel good. This channel plans to beat all three of those issues. 1. Create a first-of-a-kind, entertaining Forex channel. And really all I'm going to have to do to beat the competition here is to talk in a non-monotone voice and put in some little bit of work on the editing. 2. Teach methods I actually developed myself. Anything I teach has been proven through a series of data collection and live testing so that I know that these trades work long term. And why the hell would I want to copy strategies from other traders when we already know 90% of traders lose money? And 3, give you some Chad education where you can actually use these ideas and then apply them to your own trading methodologies. I'll slowly be uploading bits and pieces of my personal trading algorithm that made me financially profitable in the Forex market. I'm also going to be uploading some entertaining videos and videos that I think are useful for traders. So it's not going to be all just my algorithm, because this is more going to be a fun hobby YouTube channel for me. So you're really going to have to follow along and make sure that you watch it all in order to put the pieces together. To make sure you don't miss any important pieces of my algorithm, you're going to have to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so that you get notified whenever I'm uploaded something new. The strategies I use and will be teaching will be strictly price action based. So if you're an indicator trader and you're die hard, that's how you want to trade, I will not be able to help you. I don't use a single indicator including trend lines, Fibonacci's, moving averages, things like this. I view indicators as the same way I view the flashing lights on slot machines in a casino. They're very attractive and they keep you playing longer just so that they can take more of your money. At Hunter FX, we trade like men, naked. Because naked trading is trading without indicators. One more thing, this is not a channel for the basics of Forex. If you want to learn the basics, go somewhere else. I won't teach them to you. My goal is to teach you how to become a profitable trader. Becoming profitable deals with a lot further difficult problems like trading psychology and your personal mindset. This channel will focus largely on the discipline, including the technical analysis that I am using. So if you're ready to become a profitable trader, hit that like button.